Hello everyone, I am Rabbikul Tarek. I am a student of Comilla University, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. My role is 12408054. Today I am going to explain one of the most important concepts in C programming, arrays. In this presentation, we will learn what an array is, how it works, and why it's so useful in C programming. What is an array? First, let's understand what an array actually is. An array is a data structure that allows us to store multiple values of the same type in a single variable. For example, instead of creating 5 separate variables for 5 marks, we can store all of them together in one array called marks. Why use arrays? Arrays makes our program much easier and shorter. We can handle a large amount of data efficiently. Using array, we can apply loops, sorting, and searching easily, which would be very difficult using separate variables. How array work in memory? Now, how does an array work in memory? All elements of an array are stored side by side in continuous memory locations. Suppose the first element is memory address 100 and each integer takes 4 bytes, then the next element will be stored at 1004, 1008, 1012 and etc. That's why accessing elements in array is very fast, because the computer can directly calculate the position using this formula. Syntax of array. The syntax of an array is very simple. We first write the data type, then the array name. Inside square brackets we write the size. For example, integer number 5. Using loops with array. The best things about array is that they work perfectly with loop. Here is simple program. Two-dimensional array matrix. Array can also be two-dimensional, meaning they have row and columns like a table. For example, integer mix 2, 3 represent a table with 2 rows and 3 columns. Common uses of array. Array are used everywhere in storing data like marks, salaries, and temperature, in algorithm like sorting or searching, and even in graphics and images. At last, I have to summarize the array. To summarize, arrays are one of the most powerful and useful features in C programming. They help us store and process data efficiently. Once you master array, you will find it easier to learn string, pointer, and structure. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope you have a clear understanding of array in C.